have just done this action. Surrender. Immediate surrender in 30 minutes.
भारत युद्ध का नहीं, बुद्ध का देश है.
The debate on Operation Sindoor in Lok Sabha ended in fierce Rahul Gandhi versus Narendra Modi battle. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, alleged that Modi government had surrendered before Pakistan after May 7 strikes. Prime Minister Modi asserted that only terror hubs in Pakistan were on India's target and its response was non-escalatory.
The DGMO of India was told by the government of India to ask for a ceasefire at 1:35 at night itself on the night of Operation Sindoor. You told the Pakistanis exactly what you would do. You told them that we will not hit military targets. You told them we do not want escalation.
22 मिनट में 22 अप्रैल का बदला निर्धारित लक्ष्य के साथ हमारी सेना ने ले लिया.
Then ignited a fiery debate on ceasefire. Rahul Gandhi once again pointed out at claims by US President Donald Trump and dared Prime Minister Modi call Trump a liar. Prime Minister Modi later clearly stated that no world leader asked India to stop its actions.
Donald Trump has said 29 times. 29 times he said, अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
दुनिया के किसी भी नेता ने भारत के ऑपरेशन रोकने के लिए नहीं कहा.
The war of words continued over Pakistan-occupied Kashmir as well. The leader of opposition claimed that India should have continued after May 10th. On the other hand, Prime Minister reminded Congress how India lost POK in 1948.
आजादी के बाद से ही जो फैसले लिए गए उनकी सजा आज तक देश भुगत रहा है.
The forces should only be used in national interest. The forces should be used with freedom. If you want them to be used, you want to unleash a tiger, free him. Do not tie his hands behind his back. Do not go to the Pakistanis and say, listen, don't escalate. Then go all the way. Then fight properly and defeat them once and for all.
The battle intensified after Rahul Gandhi claimed that India's foreign policy has failed and no country condemned Pakistan for attacks. Meanwhile, Prime Minister also pointed out that only 3 countries supported Pak out of 193 and rest all nations stood with India.
सारे के सारे देशों ने टेररिज्म को कंडेम किया है. एब्सोल्युटली 100% करेक्ट. मगर उन्होंने यह नहीं बताया कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है. Not a single country has condemned Pakistan.
193 countries. सिर्फ 3 देश 193 कंट्री में सिर्फ 3 देश ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान पाकिस्तान के समर्थन में बयान दिया था. Only 3 countries.
The political storm over Operation Sindoor may have ended in the Lok Sabha for now, but it's raging louder than ever beyond Parliament's walls. Bureau Report, India Today.
के ऑपरेशन रोकने के लिए नहीं कहा।
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.